believe in and adhere to and trust in and rely also in me. In my Father's house, there are many dwelling places. If it were not so, I would have told you. For I am going away to prepare a place for you. And when I go and make ready a place for you, I will come back again and will take you to myself, that where I am, you may also be. And where I am going, you know the way. Though we admittedly believe that the passage on to glory of our brother and colleague Bishop Bernard can be dealt with, taking no consideration the Revelation 14 verse 13, which reads, Then I heard further a voice from heaven saying, Write this, blessed are the dead, and from now on who die in the Lord. Yes, blessed, says the Spirit, that they may rest from their labors, for their works do follow them. Your departure from us, Brother Bernard, at this time is a loss unto us all. You are a rare humankind that graced the earth filled with all manner of characters. You approached life full of energy and you brought life to every situation. No matter how difficult it seemed, you always referenced Jesus and advised rather encouragingly that there is light at the end of every tunnel. Your departure has left us a vacuum that will be very difficult, if not impossible to fill. But who are we to question God? We can only advise all and sundry that we need to love. We need to love and only advise. There is absolutely no need to have, inherit, or keep enemies, no matter the situation. We would love to have you grace our scenes and meetings with your humor and pieces of advice. But the Heavenly Father loves and needs you to play bigger and vital roles in the next world, to which you have taken the lead. Bishop Bernard, Bishop Bernard Somnyakun, rest in the bosom of our Almighty Maker until we meet again. We say, Oniname Uncle. Thank you.
Pen number JR 7919. Please, you have brought somebody. The person wants to move.
Molino Polani. Polana say. And the iron. What's that? Push. Oh, what's it? Oh, you had. No push.
No, So we are so much and I know. In fact, Saluko, what do you answer to the end with? What do you answer?
We max and I know and I'm to make me mad. Vivian Jones, yes, why
no, you can't talk about it. Oh, it's all to Canada. Quite your copy of so Vivian, yes, or to Canada. Thank you so much. Oh, Bema, Sabe, and let me be sure. Say, I never be sure. Oh, Bema, just a minute. I look plain and you won't want to look dancer here. What's your brother? What's your brother? Maybe show anymore. We so more behind. Much at that time, a man for bar, no more ballad, more behind. A year, young Qua will I in a year now. Who be banned to watch at that time, and I don't know where I am an anama winning out by over behind. There's a pony and two moves so. Vivian J. I summon a number say, I drink one for the poor papa. What's some con alarm groups I say about what it? Say na kana for mutia mo say salim ko ni no mo senior ti da na ma sisa me say dati o person na bubu ana na dey trace be ye wa ji o ba wi ha say we no ye no body no ba eni men sama ba me pesimo ho ma chokla ole no papa Salim ko dia mi ana meni dia besmaya dia na fa brand onye ni pati si sholi Salim ko onye ni pati dia o se Salim ko onye ni pati dia aya na mo ngase na on na bono di oye na ga chire ni Jama what? Catch Senior, Charlotte was saying, Charlotte was saying, for my ease, one wouldn't be two. Korean easy, overall easy, international easy. Korean was a back camera. For your program with DH1. Na me masa quali position already. Come from one of another. Ono awaye yisi pen wo wie wasa ba camera ni so oye program. Obeti bi so abanaka so make him. Honorable one. Charlotte na ko di easy. As a Ghana education wo fem ba. Obi ni ade di fem no ana. What go to say? Obi stand anywhere near.
Yo, I was just saying also say. And tell me about the time I saw the number. And I was saying about Hansana. Tribute to no Abba. Yeni abema the Asamoah colleague. Squad ni na so eduha. My dear, Mama Papa. My dear. They say that the 5 minutes remain the 5 pepe. wofa wade sedie ma ya eje enche na ye kata emu no so enti wofa wade sedie ma ya twa
Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah, don't mind. All right.